Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is a gift shop? A gift shop is a store that sells gifts and souvenirs. People visit it to buy presents for others. Do you like visiting gift shops? Yes, I like visiting gift shops. They are colorful and full of interesting items. What items are sold in a gift shop? Gift shops sell toys, books, decorations, and souvenirs. You can find gifts for all occasions. Who usually goes to a gift shop? People of all ages go to gift shops. They visit to buy gifts for birthdays, festivals, or special events. Have you ever bought something from a gift shop? Yes, I bought a photo frame for my friend. She liked it very much.
Do you like handmade items or ready-made gifts? I like both, but handmade gifts are special. They show love and effort. How do gift shops make people happy? Gift shops provide beautiful items that can be given to others. Giving gifts spreads happiness. Are gift shops expensive? Some items can be expensive, but many are affordable. It depends on the type of gift. When do people usually buy gifts? People buy gifts on birthdays, festivals, anniversaries, or special events. Why is a gift important? A gift shows love and care. It makes the person receiving it feel happy and special.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.